Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Kia of Saskatoon, where we want to see you in a Kia. And in this case, we have a absolutely beautiful, now this is a one-of-a-kind 2010 Kia Forte. Get this thing is clean. Now, when you look inside, this car actually has some really nice features. You're gonna find here, you got a wiper de-icer, so it'll keep all the white or the ice off that windshield, as well as you're gonna love this. We have the heated seats up front, and even get this, you even got Bluetooth and voice commands. I hit a button here, call Bob.
No connected phone.
Look at that, cancel.
Cancel.
There you go. Now I don't have a phone connected obviously because I'm taking a video, but the best part about this vehicle, 70,000 kilometers, folks. That's right, 70,000. So come on down to Kia of Saskatoon, where we want to see you in a Kia, and follow us on our Facebook, our Instagram, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button.